Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the St. Louis Car Museum. I'm Ian, and today we're featuring the 1969 Buick Grand Sport 400. This GS400 is finished in factory code correct Turquoise Mist Poly and a black vinyl top with black vinyl bucket seat interior. 86,807 miles on the odometer, and a 400 cubic inch V8 Ram Air engine. Buick was often overlooked as a powerhouse in the performance age of the muscle car era. Pontiac and Chevrolet were overshadowing Buick throughout GM, but Buick wasn't going to allow itself to be left out of the excitement of delivering horsepower-packed vehicles to hungry buyers. The sports car market was well attended to with Chevrolet's Corvette, so most auto manufacturers turned their attention to the mid-size two-door hardtop and convertible option as the premier platform to attract showroom buyers. By 1965, Buick launched the Grand Sport, which included small block engine choices that quickly adapted to newer, larger displacement V8s by 1968. This engine proved to be a solid pavement pounder by delivering 340 horsepower and 440 pound-foot of torque. The GS400 is a monster performance machine that can easily give any competitor a run for its money. Buick used a special first gear ratio in their Super Turbine 400 automatic transmissions to ensure your off-the-line quickness would gain you the advantage, earning you some serious street credit. Hey guys, super quick, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like rare cars, you're gonna love the rest of our social medias too. So give those a follow, and I'll see you next time.